Hi guys, here we've got XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and let me show you how to change keyboard language here. So at first open some area where you can input text. It can be note, mail, like anywhere where you've got a keypad. Then once you've got keypad in front of you, tap on settings icon, go to languages and pick add keyboard. Now just select the language that you want to apply as your keyboard language. As you can see, we've got plenty of them, so you'll definitely find something suitable. You can also use search tab to do it quicker. Let me pick Hebrew, for example, as the change would be clearly visible. Then you can remove unnecessary language if you wish. Go back, and as you can see, it has been already changed. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.